I build my body to be mentally and emotionally strong. I don't talk about it that much, but I actually was in an emotionally abusive relationship. And I think emotionally, I was feeling weak. So I turned to the gym. And as I built my physical strength, I also regained self-confidence. I have an incredibly demanding, intense corporate career in technology sales. When I dial in my physical activity and I really crush it in the gym, there's something about the grit that corresponds to walking into a difficult business situation. When I step into a meeting or even walk down the halls of our office, I feel a sense of accomplishment. I know that in that moment, all the hard work that I've already done is about to pay off. That I'm about to deliver tremendous value to my customers and to my colleagues. There's some power in being a woman and being physically strong. And there's something powerful about sweating it out in the gym. I didn't really realize how that really impacted my emotional and mental life. So as soon as I really started dedicating time and recognizing that my physical health and strength was important to me and that was a part of my day, I had greater self-confidence. I build my body to be confident, to be strong, to be successful, and to be an inspiration to other women that they can do the same. Build confidence, build foundation, build your body, build your life. Bodybuilding.com.